Good morning, guys. Good morning. So absolutely market is absolutely ripping. If we look at this PIX USD, we're above this range. We're above this range, okay? And then obviously we all know the most important numbers here: 4200, 4230, 4250, 4300, and then also you can also put the 200-day moving day average. All right, wherever that is. I think TradingView, I don't look at this. Go on stockcharts.com. is much better for the 200-day moving day average. All right, and these are the numbers that have to the upside. Now last time, remember that we gave away the dip that we had. It went straight up, and today we're ripping. So do we continue to the upside, right? I don't know. I think 4200 will be a big number to stay over. If we do stay over 4200, 4230 will be the next number. All right, and if I put the gamma levels up, so if I remove my drawings here and put the gamma levels up, and obviously I'll be giving you guys the levels as they change live also on the exposure. We have all these levels here, right? The huge consolidation here of 4150, we're above all those. Then we had 4170, we're above it. Then obviously we have the call wall and the large gamma 1 at 4200. You cannot read it here, but I'm telling you guys right now, so it's large gamma 1 and call wall near 4200. If you want to know what that means, you can go on spotgamma.com. All is defined free. Like all the definitions are there. And then obviously we have 4227ish on some gamma levels here where the dealers have to adjust, basically, right? Huge move already pre-market. I would not chase calls at the open just personally, but it's up to you how you feel about the market. I'm just gonna give it a little time because premiums will be jacked up to the upside because of this huge move up, right? So you want to be careful. And then obviously we have this resistance right here that we have, right? And then I think what they're going to do is with this data, they're going to pump the market up a little bit. I think they're going to pump the market, hold it around here, and then next week or whenever we have some Fed speakers, we might get some 1-2 nice red days. Okay, and then obviously we have August 19th as our MOPEX, August 19th. All right, option expiry day. And apart from that, if we look at some things, what's happening, I won't go over too many tickers because they're already gapping up, except China. China is very weak. But let's just look at the yields. US 10-year, they're falling. They're at 2.71. Let's see how, I don't think this is real, is it? Is this real time? Yes, real time. So 2.71. Let's see what happens. Do we break down further here? If we do break down further, right, obviously this will give a little fuel to the rally. All right, or if we hold it here, let's see what happens. All right, dollar, you also want to keep an eye on 105 is the most important, I would say. And then you want to keep an eye that if it stays above 50 MA. All right, you can put the indicators up on your TradingView. You can see them. I have this up right here, so it's so far breaking below the 50 MA, but if it can get back above 50 MA, then the trend stays. Below it is downturn, and this will also give upside to the markets if dollar comes down further. Okay, and then Euro USD is also showing some strength. As you can see, it did not break down. They gave us a par value only once on July 14th, and now it's testing the 50 MA. Can we hold above 50 MA? This is also good for the equities, right? Because this has been declining for the past many months. Let's see Euro USD. If you want to read up more on it, go for it and see how that impacts the market. This has a lot to do with the rates in North America. So USD, Japanese or yen. A little weakness, got rejected the 50 MA when it broke down. Let's see what happens here. I wouldn't rush into anything too much. Qs should be up huge as well. Pre-market should be around at the topping range here, and that's also approaching the 200-day moving day average. And same with SPY, should be approaching the 200-day moving average. And then let's see how well it goes. And guys, don't fight this rally. Don't fight this rally, because sometimes even rally when it happens is strong. Okay, just because it's gonna hit the 200 MA, it does not mean short unless you wait for a bigger time frame. Because last time it came here, it went through. All right, did get rejected here obviously on a retest, but don't just short. If we do get there, relax, let the market set up. All else, I can only tell you guys one thing: if you're looking to short, look for a bigger time confirmation. Market is strong right now, so why fight it? All right, play some dips for retest and see how it goes. Today I'll be seeing looking at the gamma, see the demand. If they build it to the downside, I'm gonna see it live, then I'll probably buy puts. If they build it more to the upside, means they're expecting more upside to go, right? So pay attention on voice chat. I'll be giving out this data live on voice chat on the gamma exposures. I have all the information, and that will help you a lot to give you the sentiment of where the market is going. All right, then we'll know exactly why these candles are being made. And apart from that, I don't have much to say here. we're up huge on CPI, so that was a great thing going flat into today. And congrats HKLB people that call calls right in the morning. Great plays. And just be careful. We are at a very strong resistance with this huge rip. We are at a very critical resistance here. It won't be easy to break. I think 4200 will be a multiple visit if we hold above it, or if we don't break 4200, then only one way, right? And so let's see what happens. God bless, and I'll see you guys back in the chat.